So Ethereum, Zach, I'm pausing for dramatic effect.
Yep.
$1,800 in February. And where are you reporting this morning from?
Reporting live.
I got somebody.
Well, let me tell
I got somebody here who wants to talk about it. You hand the mic over there.
Yeah. Sorry, my eyes are watering like crazy.
Oh, that's funny. All right. So Ethereum, $1,800 in February. This is interesting, though. It's not what we would think. This is not a rise because of the crypto market's going to go up or anything like that. There's some big stuff going on with ETH. And so let's jump right into this. So does it have a possibility to hit 1,800? I mean, if outside of the two things we're about to talk to, do you think that Ethereum has a shot at hitting $1,800 in February?
Yeah. 100%. Didn't we get to 2,000 at some point during this bear market? We got up to 2,000. What was it? June or August? It was sometime in the summer. Can't remember. But yeah, we got up there. I mean, that was just kind of a regular rally. Yep. Nothing really happening. But yeah, I mean, you got a couple catalysts here that not a lot of people know about.
Yeah, this is big. I want to zoom in on this right here. Whoop, let's go back one. All right, there we go. So there's two big announcements. So I'm going to let you. I'll let you take the first one right here.
Yeah, so we've got the EIB to once again leverage Ethereum in its quest to tokenize capital markets. The bank will issue the first ever digital pound sterling bond on the Ethereum blockchain. So some real big use case here by some real big, not even companies, governments. So
traditional finance, baby, traditional financial institutions getting on the block, getting on the chain.
Yep. Yep. And I think that's where Ethereum really is set to profit the most, I think, from. It's because they have the smart contracts, something Bitcoin doesn't have.
Yep. Well, and finally there in the second one, you'll see right here, it's Visa. Oh, a little known brand that probably you've heard of. A trusted leader in digital payments is also announced plans to transact in USD coin over Ethereum. So yeah, these are big. And I think here's what it really, I think it's Zach, what it really comes down to is traditional, right? You know, the EIB, Visa, these are stalwart traditional financial related organizations, companies that are identifying and saying, hey, blockchain's real. It's here. It's not going anywhere. And they're making strides to move into that direction.
You know, I think outside of these two that we just mentioned, which are big, I'm looking at it from another standpoint too, Austin, in the fact that, okay, so many people are on the sidelines. Quick story. I was actually just talking to a guy, super successful guy, just retired, lives on the beach in Florida, right? And he's interested in crypto. He's not yet invested. And there are a lot of people like that, right? That are retired, that are well off, but they still want to look at opportunities. I think a lot of these people, they're going to look toward Ethereum because they feel like they can get in still at a really cheap price. When we ask ourselves, like, which one's more likely to 10x first? Like, Ethereum's just younger. It hasn't had the time to develop like Bitcoin. It doesn't have the market cap Bitcoin has. So I think when you look at this next wave of institutional money and retail investors with a lot of money that want to get into crypto, I think they're going to look to Ethereum, especially if they're advised by some of their friends that are in crypto. I think it's a natural kind of thing for Ethereum to really have a blow-off top event in the next cycle, whenever that really heats up.
No, I agree. I think regulation, bringing in what you're really alluding to or talking to is obviously financial advisors and the Fidelities and the Schwabs of the world when crypto is regulated and now is real. Air quotes intended, right? Oh, there's this thing over here, and I think Ethereum will be, to me, the Ethereum outside of Bitcoin's Bitcoin, it's digital gold, etc. I think Ethereum is going to be the holding that the vast majority of people will move into first, if they understand it. And I think the easy way to, I think the financial advisors just need to explain to them, like, hey, look, this is the blockchain. It's the, for all these various reasons. And like, okay, we're going to do 1%, and here we go, that kind of thing.
It's really as simple as saying it's the leader in smart contracts. And here's the difference. Bitcoin doesn't have smart contracts. That's why it's better suited for, a reserve currency, digital gold, however you want to look at it. Ethereum does have smart contracts, and they have the highest market cap in this space. And here's why smart contracts are important. Here's what it enables them to do. Right. And people are going to see that and just want a piece of the biggest pie, and that's Ethereum.
I agree.
I
think Ethereum will eventually flip Bitcoin. That's a whole other.
I do too.
So, all right. Well, we're going to end on that note. Take care. Links in the description below to all things Clear. Check them out. Lots of big stuff coming from them. We'll see you.